Hey y'all, hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. It is a very special one because it is my holiday giveaway. I've decided to create a holiday wreath to give away to you guys because you all mean the world to me. Without you, this channel wouldn't be what it is today. And I know I know my audience isn't that large, but the ones that do come back for every video and you guys show me so much support, liking my videos, commenting on my videos, it really does mean the world to me and it doesn't go unnoticed. So I wanted to give something back to you guys. So I made a Christmas wreath and y'all, it is so cute. When I tell you it's cute, I'm impressed. And another thing, it's not even a shade that I usually go for. Although this shirt is cute on me, I normally don't wear pink and blushes and stuff like that, but I am trying to incorporate those colors in my wardrobe. But that is the color that the wreath is. So if you are a fabulous young lady and you love that whole pink blush feel, then make sure you are doing the things that you need to do to enter this giveaway. So I'm about to reveal. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. This is her. Oh my God. Isn't she beautiful? I worked on it last night and I was gonna do the whole process of how I made this, but if you've been here long enough, then you've seen me create more than a few wreaths on this channel. So you all know that I am terrified of a hot glue gun. I am going to try it. I did purchase one and I thought that I was going to use it to create this wreath here, but I decided against it because, you know, I wanted to give this to you guys, but if you don't like something on the wreath, I do want to make it easy for you guys to remove it. But I made this with love, and I'm just gonna say that everything came from Hobby Lobby, and it was I used a total of $30 to create this. If you are like myself and you like to do DIY projects, now is the time to head over to Hobby Lobby because their home decor and their Christmas items are 50% off. So that's why I was able to do this for the low price of $30, which if you look at this wreath, y'all, it is worth every penny. Now the labor was paid in gratitude. I am just so grateful for you guys that come back and chat it up with me in the comments. But yeah, I have two little pink magnolias on the top. I have these little gold balls, if you can see those gold balls, and then I have these little frosted picks here, and then I have these wooden beads here with the little gold balls, like in intervals of every third row of little beads. There's a gold bead, and then I have this little tiny pick here. It's just gold with a little gold pine cone. There is some glitter on here, so don't be alarmed. And then the 3 balls, which I was really nervous when I picked these out at the store, and I've never done a layered bow. And when I say layered, this center bow right here is like a pink glittery ribbon, but it's not loose glitter. It's not loose, it's just made that way. And then I have the burlap little ribbon behind it, and then I have the little burlap twine around that. But yeah, this is wired to the green wreath, so if you see something on here and you don't like it, by all means feel free to take it off. But like I said, I really wanted to create something for you guys because it's Christmas time. Well, people are celebrating it early, but I don't know when my official Christmas decor will be up, but I'm so happy with how this turned out. If this video does well as far as me showing gratitude to you guys and you love it, I will definitely make another one and give it away to you guys. But to enter the giveaway, it's really simple, y'all. I'm not trying to have y'all go all the way around your elbow just to receive something from me. All you need to do is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have your notification bell turned on. I am also requiring you to follow me on Instagram. So you have to follow me here on YouTube and follow me over on Instagram. You have to give this video a like, comment on this video. Just let me know in the comments what it is about my channel that makes you keep coming back for more, what it is that you love that I create on this channel. What do you want to see more from me? I just really want to be in tune with you guys, because to spend your time with me means so much to me, and that's why I'm just so grateful that you take the time to click on my videos and spend 20 minutes or less with me 3 times a week. I'm trying to be consistent, y'all. I usually post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But yeah, make sure you check the description box. If you've forgotten how to enter this giveaway, it's really simple. Subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Have your notification bells turned on. Give this video a like. Leave something in the comments, something very organic and genuine about what you love about our channel and what do you want to see more from me. But yeah, I'm gonna be picking one of you guys, so it could be you. This giveaway will be ending on Sunday at 1 p.m. So I'm going to be checking to make sure that my winner of choice will be subscribed and following the platforms that I mentioned. And yeah, the wreath is gorgeous. I made it last night. I don't know when I'm gonna make my own personal wreath, so stay tuned, because I will actually show that one. I did film the creation of this wreath because I wanted to share it with you guys, but I did it really late at night. It was 12:30 and the lighting was bad. It was just like, I'm not fixing to put that on my channel, but I am really excited about how it turned out. It's so cute. It's beautiful. I'm anxious for you guys to enter the giveaway. So again, I just really want to say thank you to everyone who has given me a chance. If you love my channel, please share it with somebody that you think would appreciate all that I intend to convey on my channel, as far as mommy motivation, cleaning motivation, just lifestyle, entertainment, whatever you come over here to get from my channel. I just want to say thank you, and there should be many more giveaways to come. I'm still trying to figure out, am I trying to do one a week or what? It doesn't have to be a wreath, but I just really want to show gratitude to you guys. So again, thank you for being here today. If you forgot how to enter, make sure you check the description box, and it is US only. I do have to stress that I am doing this US only, so forgive me. I'm not there yet. It's US only. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.